Windows can't find the Office Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. To start our guide for Office Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Office Library, a generic naming convention used by several non-Microsoft Office suite clones and specialized file converters to house their primary document handling logic. Because it lacks a standardized parent, a missing Office DLL error usually points to a broken installation of a specific third-party tool. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Office Library DLL. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Office Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Office Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to Office Library and registry optimization. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Office Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.